Since its foundation in 1989, Instacable has built itself a prominent place in the high-technology manufacturing industry thanks to our state-of-the-art factory. We produce assemblies of coaxial, single-core, multi-core cables and wire harness for manufacturers in the electronics, industrial, automotive, medical, household appliance, aerospace, and telecommunications sectors, as well as for manufacturers of wireless networks and control panels. We also offer the overmolding of parts on demand and the development of private molds. Thanks to our advanced assembly laboratory, we also produce assemblies of single and multi-mode optical fiber wire harnesses for commercial, industrial, and military purposes. Moreover, we offer a maintenance and repair service. Our strong expertise allows us to respond to the most complex project, up to 20,000 assemblies per month. We are equipped to produce custom-built and within a short time frame. Our experienced team is available to guide and advise you so that your projects are executed reliably and at a fair price.